The InterFaith Food Shuttle is a nonprofit organization. It's been around for approximately 30 years. We have numerous partners between 7 counties in central eastern North Carolina. We have various programs to include pantry, soup kitchen, shelters, backpack buddies, and many more. Through the NC State partnership, we have been able to provide casserole meals, variety foods, emergency food boxes to the students, and especially the ones who were unable to return home during the pandemic. And we are looking forward to a long-term partnership with NC State to ensure that students are able to have access to like dairy, protein, dry, canned, fresh veggies. So I joined the InterFaith Food Shuttle as a volunteer in 2006, became a full-time employee towards the end of 2006, and it was obvious that the Food Shuttle's mission was to help so many people in need, and it just warmed my heart to work in an organization that was driven to making a difference in people's lives. I couldn't walk away. There was no way I could walk away from the mission to serve, to make a difference in people's lives. And I know the InterFaith Food Shuttle will seek continuous donations to make sure that NC State, as well as other partners, receive what they need to meet the needs of the community.